Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to talk about Coca-Cola. I did get a request on one of my YouTube comments to shout. So shout out to that person that requested KO. I completely forgot your name, and I don't want to switch the video to YouTube and stuff. But we'll just kind of go on with the TA. If you do like my videos and my content and stuff, feel free to join the Patreon. Link is going to be down below in the description and also pinned in the comments if you'd like to join. But let's get on to the video and the TA. So apparently, I guess I had a previous forecast which did not hit. I actually thought KO was going to be at 66 bucks right now, and I made this forecast back on November 30th of 2020. So 2 years now that I made this forecast that I thought that by April 1st we would be at $66 KO. I mean, it's not bad. I'm not, they didn't do too bad. I'm only $3 off, so it's not too bad. But I guess this forecast was here. Unfortunately, my forecast did not hit. I was off by $3, but still, that's not bad at all. I like to think so. As of right now, the person who requested this video was saying that they were bearish on Coke. I'm actually pretty bullish on Coke right now. You actually just closed a bullish on the weekly, and you just surpassed previous all-time highs, which is basically right here. And I would actually guess that your next step right now, because you actually did create a higher high right here, right? You created a high, your new low is right here, and then now you can break out. So, I mean, for this, I don't really need to do too much TA because it does seem like it's going to keep running to the upside as of right now. I would guess my target for Coke would probably be somewhere in the range of 65, 66 bucks. As far as what date that would be, maybe in the next couple of weeks. Maybe like 2 weeks or so. Like, it seems like it might actually be coming up pretty soon. What happens on these month triggers? You just kind of stay flat. Usually calls out except for it's usually flat. So I wouldn't really worry about the monthly. Coke just generally likes moving up very slowly, mind you, but it stays consistent to the upside. I don't know. I don't really think I need to do too much TA on this. Everything seems like it's going to keep pushing Coke to the upside. And I, for one, am bullish. I think I'm bullish towards 66 bucks. As far as when it's going to get there, I don't know, man. I kind of have no idea when it can actually do that. Let me see. Because Coke just kind of likes to hang out sometimes, really, and doesn't really like doing much. So this is what, on the daily, when it broke that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, I don't know. It can be months, really, for Coke to break this and run to the upside and hit that 66 bucks. I think we started the move to $66. I would say minimum, maybe like 2, 3, 4 weeks out. I don't know, because Coke tends to like, Coke likes to push up like this and then kind of trade sideways and then move up. But usually when Coke pushes to the upside, the rest of the market likes to fall a little bit, because it's a safety stock, right? You have stocks like Coke, Starbucks, sometimes Walmart and Target, Pepsi. Relatively safe stocks are usually what people fly to when there's kind of fear in the market and stuff. So when tech is kind of tanking down, or when tech is kind of moving down, SPY is moving down, people tend to usually move their money into like Starbucks, Coke, Pepsi, and stuff like that, just because it's a little bit safer. Generally these companies stay consistent because you're always going to be drinking Coke. You're always going to be, sometimes like drinking soda or whatever. Walmart, again, people are going to consistently shop at Walmart. Why? Because it's cheap and everybody goes there, right? The only thing that worries me is that you do have a gap from 56 to 50, around 56 bucks. So not even that much of a gap. I don't know. I don't think I need to do too much tea on Coke for the most part. It looks like it's going to keep running to 66 bucks, which was my original target like 2 years ago. I think you're going to keep pushing. You might stay sideways a little bit, but I think overall, I'm pretty bullish on Coke hitting $66. I don't know. It's kind of hard to give a forecast on Coke because it just stays flat and trades sideways and up very slowly. So maybe it hits 66 bucks in the next month or two. I don't know. I'm bullish though. I don't think it's gonna crash back down to like $58 or something like that. I doubt it. I don't think Coke is gonna crash that hard. I mean, generally it doesn't even like to go down that bad. What is it, 57 to $4? I mean, yeah, that'd be a $4. I don't know. I'm bullish. It looks good. Coke looks good. I don't think I would. I mean, short term. Yeah, short. I don't even know if I'm. I don't even know if I'm bearish short term on Coke. Bearish short term. Yeah, no, it's too. It's too inconsistent. Like it doesn't do. Yeah, if anything, I'm bullish. I don't know. I gotta. I'm just gonna go with bullish. I'm gonna stick to being bullish. I'm bullish for $66. I don't think it's a good idea to short this. I think it would be kind of dumb to short this because the ratio of reward to risk, like the risk reward ratio is extremely small. Like it makes no sense to short this right now. Either I think right now Coke is at a perfect like buying perfect like buying opportunity right now. And even if it does drop to $58, like just keep buying Coke. Yeah, bullish. I don't need to do too much to it. I think we're going to $66, and even if it drops down here, I would still buy. I would say still buy it. Coke just looks. It doesn't really look all that bearish at all. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.